Enjoy the 180-degree views from the top of this parcel and a 15-foot wide creek below. This 13 unique acres is bordered on the backside by U.S. Forest Service lands, has over 1,000 feet of frontage on a state paved road, along with some of the best views in the Highlands area. This is gorgeous mountain property with easy access. Clear Creek runs through the property and provides plenty of water to a good garden spot or maybe even your own trout pond. There are fabulous estate parcels adjoining and across the road from this great property. Bring your house plans, your dreams, and let's get started. Call Preferred Properties today to preview this fabulous property.